Is it okay for children to attend military ceremonies? Imagine standing among a crowd, hearing the national anthem, and seeing service members in uniform. It's a powerful moment that many families experience together. Children are often welcome at these events, and it's generally considered appropriate for them to attend. Military ceremonies are family-oriented occasions that celebrate service, tradition, and sacrifice. Including children helps them understand the importance of military life and builds a sense of community. When children attend, it's important they behave respectfully. They should stay quiet during key moments like the playing of the national anthem, speeches, or when the flag is presented. Families are encouraged to prepare children beforehand so they know what to expect. Teaching children about military customs, such as standing quietly or placing a hand over their heart, helps them participate properly. Dress code is another thing to keep in mind. Children should wear neat, clean clothes, often called Sunday best, to show respect for the event. This might mean dresses, slacks, or collared shirts. Proper attire honors the ceremony and the service members being recognized. Seating can be outdoors or indoors, sometimes with bleacher seating. Arriving early helps families secure good spots. Security measures like bag checks and metal detectors are common, so families should plan accordingly. If a child has a disability, accommodations are usually available to make attending easier. Attending these ceremonies can be a great learning experience for children. They see firsthand the values of duty, respect, and patriotism. Some events, like the military child's table setting ceremony, specifically honor children of service members. These moments help children feel connected to their parents' or guardians' military life. Parents should think about how long the ceremony lasts and whether their child can stay attentive. Bringing quiet activities or planning breaks can help keep younger children engaged without disrupting the event. Overall, including children in military ceremonies supports family bonds and teaches respect for service. Preparing them beforehand ensures they understand the significance of the occasion and behave appropriately, making the event meaningful for everyone involved.